Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Twitter Circle on your PC or laptop. So Twitter Circle has now been released for the PC as well. First of all, it was on the iPhone and Android, but now you can also do it on your PC. So you might want to log into your Twitter account. Re-log in, because you want to make sure you get the update. Then when you're ready to use the Twitter Circle feature on your PC, just tap here. Just click here where it says tweet, and I'll just write something called Twitter Circle as an example. And to change it to your Twitter Circle, you can see here it says everyone. You want to click on this drop down menu, and there you can see it says Twitter Circle, and I have 7 people currently in my Twitter Circle. And if you want to add more people, you can push edit, and then this will show you your Twitter Circle. Then click on the recommended button, and you can go and add people into your Twitter Circle here by clicking on some recommended ones, or you can search. Let me just search random name quick, and then I'll add, let's just say that one. So I can go back now to my tweet, and you can see here it says Twitter Circle. You will remember your choice on this device, so that's good. Only your Twitter Circle can reply, so keep that in mind. Then you can just simply tweet that, and now it should be on my profile. So you can see here's the tweet, and it says only people in Digital Unraveled's Twitter Circle can see this tweet. So that's very cool that you can now use this feature on your PC or laptop, and this will work on both PC and Mac. And if you don't have the feature yet, just wait a couple of days, up to maybe a week or so, and you should get the feature. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.